The discharge muffler primarily serves to manage the turbulent flow of high-pressure refrigerant exiting the compressor. Compressors, especially reciprocating and scroll types, don't provide a smooth, continuous flow. Instead, they discharge refrigerant in discrete high-energy puffs or pulsations corresponding to the cycling of their internal mechanisms. These rapid pressure spikes generate intense acoustic noise and cause significant vibration throughout the entire discharge piping network. The muffler's effectiveness comes from its strategic placement and simple internal design. Installed immediately downstream of the compressor, its central feature is the expansion chamber, a cavity with a much larger volume than the connected piping. When a pressure spike hits this chamber, the high-pressure vapor is allowed to rapidly expand and dissipate its energy across the larger volume. This sudden expansion acts as an acoustic dampener, significantly reducing the pressure's amplitude and turning sharp, intense pulsations into far milder, more manageable waves. The muffler's secondary purpose is to help ensure longevity by eliminating destructive vibrations and stresses to the high-pressure discharge side of the system. The trade-off is a minor, unavoidable pressure drop across the device, as the expansion and contraction slightly impede flow. Noise reduction and flow restriction must be balanced, as an excessive pressure drop would force the compressor to work harder, reducing the system's overall energy efficiency. Ultimately, the discharge muffler is a passive yet critical component that transforms the violent, pulsating energy of the compressor's discharge into a smooth, quiet flow necessary for both durability and user comfort. Thank you for joining us in this video on how a discharge muffler works. For more information, check out our How to Service video series. Thanks.